So number 4 would be creating a plan. Now that you know your why, you have your goals, you know your starting point, you can map out like a bomb plan. And to map out this plan, you look at your starting point and you say, okay, this is how many days a week I'm exercising right now. So let me start filling in the days of the week that I exercise. If I'm going to do strength, cardio, I'm going to look at any classes I want to take, anything that I'm interested in or want to try. I'm going to look at the dates. I'm going to look at the times. I'm going to see if they have free courses or how much they cost. Like, I'm going to look at all these factors to then turn around and say, okay, I'm going to do this class on this day. I'm going to do this on this day. So I'm very much creating a schedule. I'm looking at, okay, well, I need to grocery shop. So what day am I going to grocery shop? What day am I going to meal prep? What day am I going to do these things? And you want to put the days in your calendar because that's your plan. And going further with the workouts, you want to know specifically what workouts you're going to do on what day. Like, you want to go into it with a plan like that, so you know exactly what you're going to do. So then you want to know what you're going to cook, like what you're going to meal prep for the week. So you really want to think about like all these things and like write it in your fitness journal and, you know, map it out. So in your head, you know what you're going to do. You have a plan. It's not just like a guess, and you're doing it based on like where you actually are. So this is very much customized to your body because everybody's different. Everybody is different. So everyone needs a unique plan that fits their body. We all have different injuries. We all have different fitness levels. We all have different activities that we love to do. We all have just different ways we think about exercise. We're all at different weights, you know, so we're all different. So this is a way that you can create a plan that's more customized to you, your lifestyle, your habits, and your body. And that's really what it's about. All right. See you later. Peace.